Hello students, now we'll see usually what we will have for our vehicle number is a number which is same when you read from left to right or right to left. So such kind of a number we usually prefer. So those are the palindrome numbers. Okay, a palindromic number or a numeral palindrome is a number that remains the same when its digits are reversed. So you see the example 121, 1221, 78987. So when you reverse such numbers, you will get the same thing. So that is a palindrome number. Now we will write a program that reads a number and checks whether it is a palindrome number or not. As I told you already, we have to reverse a number first, then we have to test the reverse with the original number. For doing the reversing a number, we have simple steps. Before going into that, we should extract the last digit of a number. So we will use arithmetic operator modulo division. So that gives you the remainder. So now we'll try to divide a number by 10. Okay, before that we'll do some initialization, like I will save the number, given number into m, and also reverse is initially 0. Then we will extract the last digit. Extracting the last digit is by making a modulo division by 10, we will get the last digit of a number. For example, if your number is 123, I want the last digit means you make a modulo division by 10, naturally the remainder is 3, so I'll get 3 as digit. Next, we will preserve that number in a reverse. So initially reverse is 0, so 0 into 10 is 0, 0 plus digit, so your reverse will be 3. Next, we will divide the number by 10 so that the last digit will be removed. 123 divided by 10, you will get 12. So your number is now reduced to 12. And now repeat the same steps. For again 12, you make a modulo division by 10 so that you will get the last digit, that is 2. And again in the reverse already we have 3. So 3 into 10 will be 30 plus digit, that is 2. So it will become 32. Then again you divide the number by 10. So your number is actually has become 12. 12 by 10 means again it becomes 1 now. So repeat the process until your number n becomes 0. We will see that in the next slide. See, initially I have taken n as 123 and I will store that value. I want to save that value into a variable called m, because n finally after repeating the steps n becomes 0. So finally I don't have the number to compare with the reverse number. So for that purpose we are going to save the number in some other variable called m here. Now take n is initially 123 and as I told you, make a modulo division by 10, you will get the last digit, that is 3. Then in a reverse we want to store it. So initially 0, so 0 into 10 plus 3. So reverse will be 3 initially and then n will be 123 by 10. So you will get only the quotient, it's an integer division, you will get 12. Now repeat the same process until n is not equal to 0. Your n is now 12. Repeat the same procedure. Now digit is equal to 12% 10. You will get the last digit, that is 2. Okay, that is remainder, that 2 will get. Next, take a reverse. Already in reverse we have 3. So we want to move the position of 3 from last to the second position. So for that purpose 3 into 10, it comes to the 10th position. So now 3 into 10, it becomes 30 plus 2, so it becomes 32. Okay. Next, n is 12 by 10, you will get the quotient as 1. So n is still there, n is not equal to 0, so repeat the process. When you repeat the process, now digit is 1% 10. When you make a modulo division of 1 by 10, you will get the remainder 1 itself. Next, reverse. 32, I should move 3 to the 100th position, 2 to the 10th position. That's why 32 into 10 plus 1. So it becomes now 321. Observe reverse in all the cases. Initially it was 0. Next in the first step it is 3. Next it becomes 32. Next it becomes 321. That is because reverse is equal to reverse into 10. Every time we are multiplying it by 10 so that every digit will be moved to the next position. Okay. So now it is 321. Next, n is equal to 1 by 10. Now this time the quotient is 0. So you have to repeat this procedure until n becomes 0. Now n is 0, so you stop doing it. So now n is 0, but what is in your reverse? The complete reverse of your number. Our actual number was 123 and the reverse what we got is 321. Okay. Now n is 0. I cannot compare n with REV because n is 0. So that's why we have already stored in m. Now m is equal to REV we are comparing because m is 123. 123, is it equal to 321? No. So it is not a palindrome. So finally, after reversing a number, compare the original number with the reverse. If they are not same, then it is not a palindrome. If they are same, then it is a palindrome. So let us take 121. In case of 121, what happens? The reverse will be 121 only. So m is equal to reverse will be true. In that case, it gives it as palindrome. Now, let us see the program. Now let us see the program. So after main, all the declarations. So the number we want to read. So input for the program is a number. That is the input. And output is we are telling that whether it's a palindrome number or not. So that is the output. So now number and then REV is equal to 0, that is needed for calculation, DIG, that is a digit, that is needed for calculation, and M is for temporary storage. So all the variables necessary will be declared in the beginning. Then we have a function, clear screen function. Next comes, you want to read that number. So for reading number, we have some message before that, that is in the printf statement. Next, scanf for reading the number. After reading a number, we will keep or we will store it in M. So m is equal to num because finally num will become 0. So for that purpose we will keep it in m, then we'll start using num in the calculation. So what I have shown in the PPT, the same thing here, and that we have put it in a loop. The condition for the loop is when number not equal to 0. That's what I told you. Number not equal to 0. When number not equal to 0, you repeat the process. In the previous slide we have seen. So initially extract the last digit by using num %10 and then you put it in a reverse, then divide the number by 10 so that you will get only the last digit will be removed, the rest of the thing you will get. Then repeat the process, same process you repeat until n becomes 0. When n becomes 0, you come out of the loop, then you will have a reverse. Reverse in REV, you will have the reverse. Now check whether the reverse of your number is equal to n. Okay, if they are same, then I can say that the given number is a palindrome. Otherwise, the given number is not a palindrome. Now let us compile the program. Let us run the program now. Let me enter a number 1221. So the number 1221 is palindrome. Next, let us see one more number. Let us take an input which is not a palindrome. One, two, three, four. So it is not a palindrome. So this is a program, a very simple program to test whether your number is a palindrome or not.